Elevate your Beehiiv website's user experience by mastering the art of editing your navigation bar. First, log into your Beehiiv account and head to your dashboard from there. Navigate to the Website section on the left-hand menu within the website settings. Locate and click on Navigation. You'll now see your current navigation bar items. This is where the magic happens. To edit an existing link, simply click on the text of the item you want to change. For instance, if you want to rename About to About Us, just click on About and type in your new text. To change where a link directs visitors, click on the URL field associated with that navigation item. You can input a new URL here, or select from existing pages and posts on your Beehiiv site. Remember, a clear and logical structure is key to great navigation. Want to add a brand new link? Look for the Add Navigation Item button. Clicking this will open a new field where you can enter your desired link text and its corresponding URL. This is perfect for adding sections like a contact page or a shop. Reordering your navigation items is as simple as dragging and dropping. See those little drag handles next to each item. Click and hold one, then move the item up or down the list to your preferred position. This helps you prioritize what your visitors see first. Once you're happy with all your changes, don't forget to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. Your updated navigation bar will instantly reflect on your live website, making it easier than ever for your audience to explore your content. Your updated navigation bar will instantly reflect on your live website, making it easier than ever for your audience to explore your content.